I don't know much about the bike.
What size is that engine?
You know what? That is a good question. I don't know. The gentleman that built this bike was a pretty unique individual. Everything was hand-built by him. Everything was, done by hand in like a barn. He wasn't a machinist. He obviously was a mechanic to keep a bike running, but so we really don't know a lot. Over the years, I have done my research and found out the guy's name being Greg DiNucci. The way he raced, how he raced, the style of this bike is really what makes it special.
It's yours now?
It is mine now. Yep. He passed away about 5-6 years ago, told his daughter, listen, you can sell every single thing I own, but I will not sell this until after I am dead. And when I'm dead, then and only then can you sell this machine. And it's got to go to someone who is, that's going to take care of it, understand it, enjoy it.